today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make a turmeric facial scrub. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back again with another video. If this is your first time coming to my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notification so you don't miss anything. So first I'm gonna add my sugar to a bowl. I'm gonna be needing 1.5 cups of sugar into a bowl, and then I'm gonna add 2 spoons of turmeric powder into the bowl. And then I'm going to add my apple cider vinegar. And after that, I'm gonna add some onion. And then I'm going to add a few drops of lemon into the bowl. And I'm gonna add some milk as well. And then I'm gonna just mix together. After that, I'm going to add a small amount of the baking soda into the bowl. So guys, the reason I added the baking soda and the milk is to help me totally get rid of the turmeric on my face when I apply it on it, because turmeric has the tendency of leaving stains behind. So the baking soda and the milk with the lemon can actually get rid of it. Yep, our turmeric facial scrub is ready to be used. So all you have to do next is to apply it directly to your face or any affected area of your body, and just watch the magic. So that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.